Hi, my name is Patrick. These videos are basically to inspire you. The basic idea is that a lot of people, they start and they give up. Somewhere they see a roadblock or they don't see their scores improving, etc. So the idea of these stories is basically to tell you that don't give up. I mean, keep trying till the end. There's always a silver lining at the end of it. So look at it and then try to get inspiration to work hard. That's the idea. So let's look at a story of MS Dhoni. I mean, everyone knows about him. One of the most famous cricketers of India, captain for a long time, the Indian cricket team. So, basically, he has. I mean, he came from a very humble background, but he still managed to become a captain and did it successfully. I mean, well known, known to be captain cool, known to be very humble, etc. Okay, he was the only captain to win the ICC trophy, One Day International World Cup, and Championship trophy. And a lot of people looked up to him for a lot of reasons. I mean, amazing attitude, amazing thing as such. But what is his story? What is his background? If you look at it in initial years, he was a ticket collector. I mean, he practiced cricket and was a ticket collector. But for almost 3 years, I mean, no one noticed him at all. I mean, he was playing a tournament, but he did not get any chance to play a tournament. No success, nothing. I mean, for 3 years he tried, but nothing came of it. I mean, not successful. Okay. Now he got frustrated with his work, but did not give up. He kept practicing every single day of his worked as a ticket collector, but also practiced. I mean, he was not from a rich background that he could do full time playing cricket, but yes, didn't give up till the end. I mean, though age was catching up. And for a cricketer or for a sports person, young age is very important, but did not give up. After 3 years, he was somewhere selected for the one day international series against Bangladesh. Okay, where he did not do well. I mean, the scores were average, not very good. But luckily, again, he got another opportunity against Pakistan, where he performed exceptionally well, and that made him a success. So what he talks about, he says the process is more important than the results. Okay, and if you take care of the process, you will get your good results. That means don't look at mock scores going down, etc. Focus on the process of how you're preparing, what you're preparing. Ensure your process is right. The moment the process is right, you will perform well and you will get your results. But the key is the process. Okay, keep on improving, and that's what is important. Focus on it. Look, remember, 3 years he was there practicing every day, not getting a chance. He got a chance after 3 years, and then he performed exceptionally well. I mean, there's a movie made of MS Dhoni. I think you should watch it. The way he struggled and the way he went about being a success. I think it's an amazing story, right? So go on. I mean, give your best and try to succeed. Thank you.